I'm Treнд Sanders. I'm 25 years old. I farm with my family in north central Illinois. We farm corn, soybeans, and wheat. We've been strip tilling since 2007 in the fall, and we began with the concept that we'd be able to accomplish all of our spring strip till for corn on corn in the fall every year. We tend to be a little bit wetter environment for where we are at, and or Mother Nature just freezes things up quicker than we expect. So we've ended up doing spring strips in combination with fall almost every single year. We've only had one year that we got 100% of our fall strip tillage completed. Part of the reasoning on that was we are looking for our ground temperature to be under 50 degrees so that we can apply nitrogen in while we're strip tilling. On our farm, our practice is putting a blended product that is all liquid of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium all in one product, and we mix that on a field-by-field basis for what the soil tests are requiring. And we get those soil tests completed every 4 years so we understand what we're trying to apply. Now what we've noticed between spring and fall strips are a few different benefits. We have tended to prefer spring strips over fall. Part of that is we are concerned about how much nitrogen we're applying in the fall strip, and depending on the season that we have during the winter, if it was wet, are we losing a lot, just a little, are you losing it all? We've had concerns with that, so by being able to apply in the spring instead, it's a smaller window of time where we can lose that valuable, expensive input. Some other benefits are horsepower and fuel requirements. In the fall, we tend to be wanting to make more of a 7-inch strip, which is a little deeper than what we would make in the spring. In the spring, we're shooting for about a 5-inch. We've also looking for a smaller soil fracture in the spring because the ground's not as tough. We've gone through a freeze-thaw process that the seasons take care of for us, so we don't have to fracture as much soil. And so that alone brings my fuel burn down about 30 to 40% compared to the fall. And it also reduces my horsepower requirement. So how big of a tractor I need on the front of that implement to accomplish, a decent mile per hour, which we're shooting for about 7 on average, compared to how big a tractor I need to put on the front of that implement.